Currently here at Deep Lake on the Floodplain Trail at Wildlife Prairie Park in Hanna City, Illinois. As you can see, this lake behind me, I've always found it really cool because it has these awesome trees just growing up out of the water. So it's a really creepy, cool looking lake, and I've always loved hiking here. There's lots of birds around, as you can see and hear. Nice thing about this trail is there are quite a few elevation changes, which provides for some interesting scenery as well as some interesting hiking. Okay, so this is actually Beaver Lake. The last time I was here at Beaver Lake, hiking the Floodplain Trail, there was a great blue heron right over there that flew away as soon as I crossed that corner. So unfortunately I didn't get any videos or pictures of it, but it was really cool. And today I'm actually out here hoping to see a bobcat because they've apparently had some bobcats here on the, at Wildlife Prairie Park over the past few years, and that's the one animal I've never seen in Illinois. We've got some pretty cool trees over here. But this is Beaver Lake. Pretty cool overlook area up here. really chopped a lot of timber down since I was last here. I'm not sure exactly what they're doing. They do have a John Deere machine up there. And there's more timber over here. So I'm not sure if they're adding on to the trail or what they're doing, but it's definitely pretty interesting. This bridge is kind of crumbling, as you can see. I've walked over this bridge many times before. There's a creek down there. I hear people working in here, which may not be good for me. Fortunately, there is some guy with a chainsaw right in the middle of the woods right now, which is always going to be an interruption to any hike, so that's unfortunate. The bicycle skeleton has really fallen apart since the last time I was here. He's not as put together as he used to be a few years ago. I think he lost a hand and part of his arm. His face is going into his helmet. But he's still here. He's still trucking. Now this here is my favorite part of the whole trail here on the Floodplain Trail. There's big trees here on the Kickapoo River. Kickapoo Creek, my bad. Kickapoo Creek bottoms. Kickapoo Creek is a few hundred yards to my right, and there's just a bunch of big trees in here. This would be a great tree to see a hawk, an owl, or an eagle in, because the Kickapoo Creek is right down there and there's plenty of fish in there. Well, here it is in all its glory, the Kickapoo Creek. Now that's what you call a beaver tree. A beaver has definitely been biting into that. Oh yeah. Probably shouldn't be standing right here. and ascending back up towards higher elevation. I'm actually coming to the end of my hike. So thank you for joining me. I hope everyone had fun. Let's do this again soon. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.